Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore QQQ in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 24th of October, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and detailed analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. As of the 8th of October, 2024, our system has classified QQQ as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.71. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 0.62%. This equates to an average return of 0.05% per day since its designation as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a modest upward trend over the short term, indicating that further growth is anticipated. The trend observed over the past 3 months hints at a potential change of approximately 9.29% in the upcoming 3 months, with expected returns ranging from 4.64% to 11.62%. In terms of the 12-month outlook, the forecast suggests a change of around 26.96% over the next year, with possible returns between 17.91% and 38.49%. This would correspond to a price range of $580.50 to $681.80 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for QQQ includes the headline, QQQ ETF upgraded to buy candidate. The QQQ ETF price increased by 0.81% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 24th of October, 2024. It rose from $488.36 to $492.32. During that trading day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 0.727%, with a low of $489.44 and a high of $493. The price has risen in 8 of the last 10 days. However, it remains down by 0.05% for this period. On the last day, volume decreased by 16 million shares, with a total of 22 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $10,730 million. It is important to note that declining volume amid rising prices could indicate divergence and may serve as an early signal of potential changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF reached $503.52, while the lowest price was $342.35. Currently, the price is 2.22%, or $11.20, below the 52-week high of $503.52, which also represents the all-time high for the ETF. In recent developments, the Invesco QQQ Trust ETF is gaining attention as mega-cap growth stocks prepare to report earnings, particularly in the realms of artificial intelligence and internet advertising. These reports are critical as they can provide insight into spending trends that may significantly influence stock valuations. As of late October, QQQ is nearing its previous highs, driven primarily by artificial intelligence growth themes and pivotal holdings such as NVIDIA, along with major companies like Google, Meta, and Tesla. This growth positioning underscores QQQ's role as an aggressive play on AI adoption, reflecting its impressive historical performance with an average annual return of over 18% for the past decade. Moreover, the Invesco S&P 500 Equal Weight ETF is approaching nearly $10 billion in net flows year-to-date, which signals a strong investor preference for diversified growth strategies. This shift emphasizes market sentiments that could steer more capital into QQQ as investors seek tech-focused investment vehicles that promise substantial returns. In the short term, positive earnings reports and strong demand for AI technologies could propel QQQ's stock price upward. Conversely, the recent rise in interest rates has heightened the risk premium associated with tech stocks. This volatility may cause cautious investors to trim positions and consider alternatives like QQQM, given its lower fees. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, the 14th of October, 2024, and so far it has fallen by 1.04%. Further decline is expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some positive signals have also emerged, which may influence the near short-term development. The QQQ ETF holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the ETF, offering a positive outlook for the stock. With further gains, the ETF will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $492.67. Conversely, in the event of a decline, the ETF will find support from the long-term average at around $482.89. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will initiate a sell signal. Volume decreased during the last trading day despite rising prices, creating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The ETF should be monitored closely. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. The pivots show a sell signal from 9 days ago. Bollinger Bands suggest a buy signal from 9 days ago. The short-term moving average reflects a sell signal from 3 days ago. In contrast, the long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 33 days ago. Additionally, the relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 30 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart, we can see the short moving average also shows a sell signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average continues to indicate a buy signal from 33 days ago. Furthermore, the relationship between the short and long moving averages has demonstrated a buy signal from 233 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $448.75 and $439.53. There is a natural risk involved when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level, as a break below this level may lead the fund to decline to the next support level. In this instance, QQQ finds support just below today's level at $448.75. If this level is breached, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $439.53 and $435.37. Generally, the exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered quite low in this stock. During the last day, the fund fluctuated by $3.56 between its high and low, which represents a change of 0.727%. Over the past week, the exchange-traded fund has experienced an average daily volatility of 1.04%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for QQQ, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate a low expectation for the company's future growth or suggest that the stock is undervalued, which could present a potential buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $495.42. If you do not own any shares, it may be advisable to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who are already holding the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, QQQ faces its first support level at $448.75. If this support level remains intact, it could present an excellent entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $474.45, reflecting a decline of 3.63%. This exchange-traded fund experiences very low daily fluctuations, which translates to minimal risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top identified 8 days ago. Is the QQQ ETF a good buy? Currently, several signals and indicators are pointing to negative trends, which we believe will influence the market's development in the coming days and possibly weeks. However, we see today's price level as a potential buying opportunity, with expectations that the price will rise during or by the end of this 3-month period. Consequently, we have revised our analysis conclusion for this ETF from a hold or accumulate status to a buy candidate. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price may be overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 25th of October, we anticipate that the QQQ will open lower, down by approximately 733/10,000ths of a dollar, starting at 491.59 of a dollar. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.